The difference between knowledge and wisdom lies in knowing what to do with what you know. While intelligence quotient, IQ, measures our ability to acquire and retain knowledge, emotional intelligence, EI, governs how we apply that knowledge in real world situations. Since Waterfall and Agile address different types of work, it's no surprise that each regards EI differently. Research shows that emotional intelligence correlates more strongly with career success and life satisfaction than IQ. Studies also find that EI significantly enhances leadership performance and team success rates, effectiveness, and satisfaction, especially as work complexity increases. While EI doesn't replace IQ, it makes knowledge more practical and accessible when needed. In traditional waterfall environments where processes drive behavior and conformity is prioritized over adaptation, emotional intelligence often takes a back seat. Tasks are rigidly defined, roles are fixed, and interactions follow prescribed patterns. This approach works well for predictable tasks and falls short when complexity demands human judgment and collaboration. Agile culture, by contrast, thrives on strong emotional intelligence. In environments where uncertainty and adaptability are the norm, the ability to read situations, understand perspectives, and respond appropriately is essential. EI fosters psychological safety, drives innovation, and builds trust in teams. Mindfulness plays a key role in amplifying emotional intelligence by creating space between stimulus and response. When we operate on autopilot to achieve high levels of efficiency, which Waterfall prioritizes and rewards, we rely on ingrained patterns that may not fit all situations. Mindful awareness allows us to notice subtle cues and others' responses, enabling thoughtful choices instead of reflective reactions. Transitioning from a to a agile culture often means unlearning ingrained habits that deprioritize emotional intelligence. In waterfall environments, emotional intelligence may be seen as unnecessary or even disruptive because success hinges on compliance and predictable execution. By contrast, agile work requires EI to navigate ambiguity, evaluate diverse options, and collaborate effectively amidst uncertainty, all in real time. Recognizing this shift is the first step. You and your team need to cultivate new practices that embrace empathy, patience, and adaptability to thrive in an agile context. For instance, imagine a colleague struggling with new technology. Instead of pointing out errors, a team member might ask, "How are you feeling about this transition?" This simple act of empathy opens dialogue, builds trust, and creates an opportunity for meaningful support. Similarly, recognizing that a team is overwhelmed and suggesting a break can re energize the group and prevent burnout. Without emotional intelligence, these moments might escalate into frustration and resistance, undermining future collaboration. Leaders play a pivotal role in embedding emotional intelligence in agile teams. For example, a manager who observes signs of overwhelm might reprioritize tasks to prevent burnout. More challenging, however, is resisting the temptation to step in when a team takes a path the leader wouldn't choose. While it may seem helpful to intervene, doing so can undermine the team's ability to learn, adapt, and build their problem solving skills, which are necessary for agile success. Emotionally intelligent leaders understand the value of stepping back and letting teams learn from mistakes, unless continuing would cause irreparable harm. Patience in these situations enables teams to grow and thrive in complex environments. In AI implementations, emotional intelligence is critical for understanding the human impact of technological change. It's not just about what AI can do, how it affects people's sense of security, autonomy, and purpose. This awareness guides AI deployments that augment human capabilities rather than diminish or replace them. Emotional intelligence also shapes how we interact with AI systems. For instance, acknowledging AI's role as a tool for augmentation rather than overhumanizing it helps maintain balanced, thoughtful interactions. These balanced approaches preserve healthy relationships and ensure AI is integrated as a partner to human effort rather than a replacement. The journey begins with awareness. Reflect on situations where emotional intelligence or its absence has shaped outcomes. When tensions arise, pause and consider the emotional dynamics at play. Where can you bring more emotional awareness into your interactions? As a leader, how might stepping back in key moments empower your team to grow their problem solving skills? Challenge yourself to grow your emotional intelligence through mindful practice. How might understanding others' perspective reshape your approach to challenges? What new possibilities emerge when you combine technical expertise with emotional insight? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more insights on building adaptive, resilient organizations in the era of AI. Thanks for watching.